Welcome to Hype Tech Picks. If you're tired of distractions and want crystal clear sound wherever you go, whether you're traveling, working, or just relaxing, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll be showing you the top 5 best noise-canceling headphones with Bluetooth, carefully selected for their sound quality, comfort, battery life, and value for money. For more details and the latest prices, check out the links to Onged headphones in the description below. Now, let's get into it! Number 1. Sony WH-1000XM5. The Sony WH-1000XM5 continues Sony's legacy as a gold standard for wireless noise-canceling headphones. Powered by 2 processors controlling 8 microphones, it delivers world-class noise reduction across all frequencies, blocking out everything from airplane engines to busy office chatter. Its adaptive sound control automatically adjusts settings based on your environment, providing uninterrupted clarity whether you're on the go or relaxing at home. Audio quality is exceptional. Balanced bass, crisp highs, and warm mids that make every genre sound amazing. Whether it's podcasts, rock, or classical music, the XM5 produces beautifully detailed sound. For calls, 4 beam-forming microphones combined with advanced signal processing ensure your voice stays clear, even in noisy or windy conditions. Number 2. Bose QuietComfort Ultra. The Bose QuietComfort Ultra takes everything people love about the iconic QuietComfort line and pushes it to new heights. It features world-class noise cancellation and immersive spatial audio that adapts perfectly to your personal hearing profile using Bose's custom-tuned technology. You can easily switch between modes: quiet mode for full isolation, aware mode to hear your surroundings, or immersion mode for that studio-quality depth that puts you right inside the music. Calls sound crystal clear thanks to precision microphones that filter out background noise, keeping your voice natural and consistent wherever you are. Comfort is classic Bose: soft, plush ear cushions and a lightweight build that stays comfortable for hours on end. The minimalist aesthetic and premium finish make them stylish enough for both work and travel. With Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity, you'll get rock-solid range up to 30 feet and support for Simple Sync, which lets you pair your headphones with a Bose soundbar for private TV listening. Number 3. Sennheiser Momentum 4. Next up, the Sennheiser Momentum 4, a perfect blend of timeless design and modern technology. It's powered by Sennheiser's 42mm transducer system, delivering breathtaking clarity, deep bass, and precise treble that audiophiles adore. With support for aptX Adaptive and Bluetooth 5.2, it guarantees stable, low-latency performance whether you're streaming music or watching videos. Its adaptive noise cancellation automatically adjusts to your surroundings, blocking out distractions while preserving a natural sound balance. Through the Smart Control app, you can fine-tune your listening experience with adjustable EQs, presets, and sound modes, giving you complete creative control. Comfort is another major win. The lightweight, foldable frame and plush ear cushions make the Momentum 4 ideal for all-day wear. Number 4. Soundcore by Anker Space Q45. The Soundcore Space Q45 by Anker proves that you don't need to spend a fortune to enjoy premium performance. It blocks up to 98% of background noise thanks to a completely re-engineered adaptive ANC system that automatically adjusts to your environment. You can also manually fine-tune the cancellation levels through the Soundcore app, giving you control over how much of the world you want to hear. The 40mm double-layer silk and ceramic drivers produce impressively detailed audio, rich lows, balanced mids, and bright highs that rival much pricier models. With LDAC codec support, you get high-res wireless audio, offering 3 times more detail than standard Bluetooth streaming. Battery life is phenomenal, up to 50 hours with ANC on and 65 hours in standard mode. And if you're in a rush, just a 5-minute charge gives you 4 hours of playback. They're built for comfort too, featuring soft memory foam ear cups and a flexible headband that makes long listening sessions comfortable. Number 5. Apple AirPods Max. Finally, we have the Apple AirPods Max, a luxury pick that perfectly blends high-end materials, cutting-edge tech, and impeccable sound. Powered by Apple's custom acoustic architecture and H1 chip, they deliver computational audio that adapts dynamically in real time, balancing your music with your surroundings for flawless playback. Their active noise cancellation is among the best, completely isolating you from distractions, while transparency mode lets in just enough ambient sound when you need awareness. The personalized spatial audio with dynamic head tracking creates a true 3D listening experience, placing instruments and vocals around you for cinematic immersion, especially with Dolby Atmos content. Designed for premium comfort, the AirPods Max feature a breathable knit mesh canopy and memory foam ear cushions that form a perfect acoustic seal without pressure. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best noise-canceling headphones with Bluetooth. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tech reviews and affordable gear recommendations. Thanks for watching Hype Tech Picks. See you in the next one!